next in previous class we completed exercise 1. Now we will discuss exercise 2. Exercise 2.2. In this first one, find the x value. Find the x value. Totally 5 pictures are there given. Depending upon the triangles and its properties. Last year we discussed that one. Related those only 5 diagrams given. We have to calculate. First diagram. This is the first diagram. ABC is a triangle. CD is extended. CD is extended. Then here 123 angle formed. What is the angle for this one? For this triangle, 123 is the exterior angle. If you take ABC triangle, 123 is exterior angle. These are opposite angles of those. Exterior opposite angles. These are. Okay, already we know exterior angle property. What is the exterior property? By exterior angle property. First question answer it is. First question answer by exterior angle property. By exterior angle property. What is the property? Exterior angle equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Sum of opposite interior angles of exterior angle. Okay. Now we can write this as 123 equal to x plus 56. X plus 56. If you know the properties related to given diagram, very easy. Because otherwise it will little bit difficult. Okay. Now move 56 because we want to calculate x value. Now move this one. 123 plus 56 becomes minus 56 equal to x. By subtracting, how much we will get? 123, 56. Subtract this, borrowing subtraction, this will become 1, this will become 13. Okay, 7, 13 minus 6, 7. Again take borrow, this becomes 0, this becomes 11. 11 minus 5, 67. What is the answer here? X, 67. 67 equal to, this is decrease, don't forget this one. Okay, this is decrease. X equal to how much is 67 for the first question. For first question we will get 67. We will go for the next question. Second question. First one completed. Second one. Second one comes same models only. Here PQR is a triangle. In this 45 angle, 68 angle, 3x plus 16, one angle. Okay, by using these three angles, we have to calculate x. One thing we have to observe, where these three angles are lying. Okay, these three angles are inside the triangle, interior of the triangle. So these are the three interior angles of the triangle. And we find ABC. The sum of angles, this is second one, sum of angles of a triangle, sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Angles of property is already in previous year we discussed that. The sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. By adding these three interior angles, we will get the sum 180 degrees. By adding these 45, 68, 3x plus 16 equal to 180. Now we add 60 degrees, 68, 45. By adding these, what we can get? Okay, 3x plus, by adding 68, 45, 16. How much we can get? 19, 10, 11 plus 8, 19. 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 1 plus 1, 12. 129 degrees. 129 degrees equal to 180. If you move on other side, what will be? 3x equal to 180 minus 129. 180 minus 129, how much is? 180 minus 129. Okay, borrowing subtraction, this becomes 7, this becomes 10. 7 minus 2, how much is? 5. 0. 51. 3x equal to 51 degrees. Now move 3 also because I want to know x value 1. So 3 move also move that side. 3 equal to 3 not x equal to 51 by 3. Now cancel this one. 3 1 years, 3 1 years 3. Remainder 2 121. 3 7 years. X equal to how much? X equal to 70 degrees. X equal to how much? 70 degrees. This is second one. Third one also similar model only. Third one. Third one do your one. I will not explain the same property one. Second one, third one, same model only. Do your one. By adding these three angles equal to 180, we can get an answer. Otherwise, see here. Fourth one. Second one, third one, same model only. Do your one. Third one. I will not explain that. Next one. Fourth one. What is the fourth one? If you observe here, x, y, z is a triangle. X, y, z is a triangle. In this, x, y, x, z both having a symbol here. This symbol denotes what that one? Those sides having equal length. Whenever two sides are equal in a triangle, that is called the isosceles triangle. That means we can write x, y, z. This is fourth one. X, y, z is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. When isosceles triangle, base angles are so base angles are equal. Base angles are equal. What are the base angles here? 2x plus 7. Another angle 45. Okay, these are the base angles. These two sides are equal. This is the base. The angle formed on base is 2x plus 7, 45 degrees. These angles are equal. Now simplify this one, we will get answer. Now plus 7 move that side. 2x equal to 45 minus 7. 2x equal to, by subtracting what we can get? 38. 45 minus 45 minus 7. Subtract this one, boy subtraction 3, 15. 3, 15. 3 by 8, 15 minus 7, 8, 3, 38. Okay, 38 degrees. Now move to the side also. X equal to 38 by 2. Now cancel this one. 2 1 years, 2 1 years 2, 1 remainder. 1 8, 18, 2 9 years 18. X equal to 38 degrees. If you don't know cancellation, divide like this also. 38 divided into 2. 2 1 years 2, 2 9 years 18. Like that also we can complete this division. No problem there. This is the fourth question answer. Now we will go for the next question. Fifth question. Fifth one is how to give selected data to identify the angles. Okay, this is triangle ABO. Okay, this is picture given. In this two triangles are given. ABO. ABO. Another triangle COD. COD. What is the name of this angle? What is the name of this angle? The name of this angle is AOB. AOB. Here, what is the name of this angle? COD. COD. What is the name of this angle? Angle D. This is the angle D. That one you have to do. Okay, ABO is which triangle? Two sides are equal. Isosceles triangle. ABO. ABO. Fifth question answer. ABO is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means base angles are equal. Then what will be? Angle AOB equal to 3x plus 10. 3x plus 10. Base angles equal. Base angles equal. Base angles equal. Now go for the next triangle. What is the next triangle name? Next triangle is this is the next triangle. Okay, before going to the one, if you observe here, AC, BD are intersecting at a point O, then what we can call these two angles? Vertical opposite angles. Vertical opposite angles are equal. Vertical opposite angles are AB, AC and BD. AC and BD are intersecting lines. These two angles are vertical opposite angles, and that means angle COD equal to angle AOB equal to 3x plus 10. Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Vertical opposite angles. Okay, that means COD also we got here. If you observe here COD is isosceles triangle because these two are also having equal size, equal length of sides. So COD is also isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Then base angles are equal. What are the base angles here? D COD. D COD. And D equal to and COD equal to COD equal to how much? 3x plus 10. That one only regular. 3x plus 10. Base angle is equal. Base angle is equal. Base angles are equal. Now in triangle ABC, in triangle COD, in triangle COD, sum of three angles in a triangle, sum of three angles, sum of three angles in triangle is 180 degrees. Triangle sum property applied. By knowing D COD 2x, we can apply the angle sum property. Angle sum property how to apply? Okay, what is the angle sum property? 2x plus angle COD plus angle D equal to 180 degrees. Angle D equal to 180 degrees. 2x plus COD how much? 3x plus 10. 3x plus 10. Angle D how much? 3x plus 10 only. 3x plus 10 equal to 180. Now add 2x, 3x, 3x. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 2, 8x. Now add the numbers. Numbers see how we add. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 equal to 180. Now move 20 that side. 8x equal to 180 minus 20. Then what will be? 8x equal to 180 minus 20, 160. 160 degrees. Now move 8 also. 8 is multiplying. On other side is divide. X equal to 160 by 8. 8 cancel that. 8 1 yes. 8 20 yes. 8 2 is 16 0 degrees. X equal to how much? 20 degrees. This is the fifth question. Now we will go for the second one. What is the second one question? Second one. Difference between two numbers is 8. Is 8. If 2 is added to bigger number, the result will be 3 times 3 times the smaller. Find the numbers. Find the numbers. Okay, look here. What is the question here? The difference between two numbers is 8. Okay, if 2 is added to the biggest number, the result is equal to 3 times the smaller. 3 times the smaller. Okay, find the number. Okay, now we have to take a solution here. Okay, two numbers difference is given difference equal to how much is 8. I take two numbers, one number, other number, one number, other number. Okay, if I what is the difference between, if I take let's say x number, one number is I take x. If I compare to the other number, difference is 8. That means this one 8 more. Anyone. Movie I want to take here x plus 8. If you take difference between these two, we will get 8 only. Okay, we can write x minus 8 also, we can write, no problem with that. But x plus 8 only we can write. Okay, x one number I taken. Then other number what will be according to difference 8 more compared to this one. One is x, another one is x plus 8. What is given as per problem? And 2 added to bigger number, result becomes 3 times the smaller. 3 times the smaller number. Now which is the bigger? Can you guess? X or x plus 8? X is only there. X extra 8 is added. So it is the bigger. So we can write x plus 8 added to 2. Result is 3 times smaller. 3 times smaller means 3 into x. Now simplify this one. X 8 plus 2 how much is 10 equal to 3x. Now x is move that side. What will be move that side? 10 equal to 3x minus x. 10 equal to 3x minus x. 10 equal to 3x minus x equal to 2x. 3x minus 3x equal to 10x equal to 10. 3 minus 1. No number that is taken 1. 3 minus 1 2. 10 equal to 2x. 2 move this side. 10 by 2 equal to x. 2 1 years to 5 years. X equal to how much? 5. X equal to how much? 5. Now I want to know the numbers. Okay, what are the numbers? Okay, one number equal to x. X value how much we got here? 5. Other number equal to x plus 8. X plus 8 means 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8. 5 plus 18 is 13. That is two numbers. What are they? 8 and 13. Okay, we will go for the next question. Third one also same word, but a little bit different thing. What are two numbers whose sum is 58 and the difference is 28. Difference is 28. Same one only, but little bit different treatment. What are the different? We will see. Same one only. No need to confuse. Same one only. What is the difference given? Difference equal to given difference equal to what is the difference here? 28. What are the two numbers? We want to calculate two numbers. Whose sum is 58? Sum of two numbers is how much? 58. Difference is 28. Difference is equal to 28. Now we will write one number, other number. One number, other number. One number equal to x I taken. One number equal to x I taken. Then what will be other number? Difference is 28. That means if you take difference of these two, 28. That means if it is small, it is big, it is 28 more. Then what we can write? X plus 28. X plus 28. We can write x minus 28 also. By that also we will get also. So I am given sum of numbers. Given sum of numbers equal. Given sum of numbers equal to how much given? 58. That means by adding these two, x plus 28 equal to 58. X plus 28 equal to 58. X plus x how much is 2x plus 28 equal to 58. Okay, 2x equal to 28 move aside. 58 minus 28. 2x equal to 58 minus 20 how much is 30. Now can x equal to 30 by 2. Now cancel 2 1 years 2 15 years. X equal to how much is 15. Now we can calculate one number other number. One number equal to x, that is 15. Other number equal to x plus 28. Other number what does it? X plus 28. That means 15 plus 28. 15 plus 28 how much is 8 plus 3. 8 plus 5 13 43. One number is 43, other number is 15. Okay, what is the work today? We have to practice first one, second one, third one. Homework. Practice first, second, third one. Page 40 to 42. Practice these. And today class only how to practice. Which sums we discuss in this class, those only practice again.